Brand new to Agile equipment, this is the AS500 commercial air scrubber from IAQ Pro. As the name suggests, this unit can achieve over 500 CFM of airflow and can even achieve similar levels to the AS650. The AS500 might be heavier than the AS650, being 16 kilos in weight, but sports larger filters with a bigger inlet of 400mm. This means its capacity to capture more particulates in one filter is greater because of its increased surface area. The AS500 air scrubber, like the AS650, features dual filtration, the G4 prefilter which filters out coarse particulates and the H13 primary filter which filters 99.95% of finer particles. All of this effectively scrubs the air, removing offending airborne particles. Each filter is very easy to replace with only a screwdriver needed for the primary. Both these filters are sold at Agile equipment, so you can rest easy knowing you can easily source its replacements. Its large intake means that it's compatible with 400mm ducting. Special to our AS500 design, a clip-in frame can be removed and have layflat wrapped around it. This means without the use of tapes or zip ties, you can easily attach layflat to the outlet. Its durable roto-molded polypropylene casing, coupled with a sturdy handle and box design, means it's easy to stack, store, and transport to different jobs and projects. If you're looking for a reliable air scrubber to remove offending airborne particulates, you won't go wrong with the IAQ Pro AS500. You can find both the AS500 and the AS650 under the air scrubber section in the equipment category on our website. Please have a chat with our staff about any questions you have about our air scrubbers and our range. Thanks for watching.